everyone, welcome to Air Pro Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a subject regarding speak or communication. We need to understand what it makes so important in our auto retail industry. It is important because individual employed in auto retail sector has to take into account that establishing a clear, fluent and appropriate communication is fundamental to obtain good results. In our industry, if you have to get a good result, one of the vital component which plays a very important role is communication. If the communication is good, possibility of obtaining better results are greater. Before we start today's subject, we would like to have a small understanding of great saying we can consider as prayer. Yata chittam tata vacha yata vacham vachata kriya. Chitta vache kriya cha sadhu mekaro pata. What does it mean? It means that as is the mind, so is the speech. As is the speech, so is the action. Of the good people, there is uniformity in speech and action. Uniformity in mind, speech and action. So when mind and speech collaborate correctly according to the situation, the action will also be similar to that. Now, let us have a recollection of one of our past video of Human Life Skills Part 2. The link, if you have not seen it, please go to the link and have a look of it. In that, we have understood 5 V's. What were they? First of all, skill. The second was scale or growth. The third was speak or communication. The fourth was, fifth was smile. Today what we are dealing is about the fourth, because we have understood the previous 3. What were they? Skill. Every human being need to have a skill to survive in this universe. That we are very clear. Then the skill has to be appropriately upgraded from time to time. Otherwise, what happens is, what is the skill existing today may not be relevant tomorrow. So that growth of skill has to continuously happen. The third is speed. Speed is very important because the technology, the environment, everything is moving in such a fast pace. If we don't keep up with that pace, with that kind of a speed, then possibly we may not be effective. Because of that, speed also becomes very important. The fourth one, in spite of all these things in place, if we are unable to communicate properly, possibly our inherent quality cannot be expressed appropriately and we cannot build a trust with our clients, customers or visitor coming to our place. Now, if you have to understand about trust, a beautiful story was told by one of my colleagues, Pro Ganesh Kumar. You can have it in this particular link. What are the types of communication senses which plays vital in communication? I have said 3 plus 2. I will make it clear about it. We will understand that one, why I said so. First one is vision. Vision makes a lot of this sense of seeing, makes a lot of communication between 2 different entities. How? For example, if we can take a practical day-to-day activity in our auto retail sector. For example, a customer walks into our premises during any time of the day. If our premises is not clean, if our front office is not clean, if our customer lounge is not clean in mint condition all the time throughout the day, and further going forward, if our restrooms are not tidy, clean, dry, then a communication goes to the customer mind that this place, if those things are in good shape, then communication goes to the customer mind that this place is a place where I can have trust, where things are in appropriate condition. The next thing comes hearing, that is ears. Ears, whatever he listens from the other people. For example, customer comes to our place and our service advisors or people around the front office are talking in a good mannered way, then he gets a understanding that this is the right place. These are all the professional people working here. So he gets that confidence. Then the third is hand, touch. Touch, to give an example, of course, today's it is not being practiced because of this pandemic, but sooner or later it will happen. And in the past it was happening. For example, service advisor shakes hands with the customer. If that is firm and warm, then customer gets a feeling, yes, this is the person I wanted to deal with him. And that communication goes to him. Then there are two more things which are not that important, but still it has a place of its own. For example, tongue. To explain that, if you go to a restaurant, for example, and the food is tasty, you will always like to go there, revisit there, to taste, savor that good taste food. We know there are so many outlets which has been running almost for a century or so. Why they have been there in the existence for such a long period is basically because of the kind of dishes they serve. So that becomes also important. The next thing is nose, smell. If any premises, for example, our front office, as I said earlier, all the facilities there, if it is not smelling good, customer gets a feeling which is not very comfortable to him. So this all becomes important. Then there is one more medium which is applicable everywhere, but we cannot say as a direct communication, but it is applicable everywhere. That is common sense. Whenever we speak, whenever we act, our common sense should be in an appropriate thinking process. To state an example for that particular this thing, if a accident car customer comes to workshop to leave his car for repairs, the service advisor might be very performing good service advisor, but if that gentleman, the service advisor, do not empathize with the situation of the customer, then possibly customer will feel doubtful. He will feel little uncertain. So it is very important, along with all his good characters, there has to be iota of empathy in situation. That is what comes from the common sense. So we have listed the 5 senses which makes communication happen between the two individuals. Then, now in that my previous human skill part 2, I have said about speaking communication of distinguished only 2, verbal and non-verbal. Why did I do so there was the simple reason, in person-to-person contact, these 2 things comes into picture. But there is one more communication, that is written. So to say, verbal, what are all the components in that one? Public speaking, group discussion, interviewing, that is all verbal. What are all the non-verbal? Body language, gestures. What are all the written? Mail, letters, notices, labels, invoice, feedback, customer complaint forms, all this becomes communication part. That is written communication part. So the three different category of communication we can distinguish as verbal, non-verbal, and written. All these details, because communication is a very vast subject and it is positions a very important position in our auto retail industry. So it will be dealt time to time by me or my colleagues at various stages. Today what we are doing is just a basic and introduction of the communication part. Then, now let us summarize whatever we have understood. What we understand from the list of components of communication which we have listed earlier, it can be interpreted that communication is not just what we say. Communication may occur by means of conversation, expression, gestures, visual senses. So these all components becomes part of the communication. But effective communication can only happen when the important aspect of communication are in the right proposition. All these three, what I am going to list down below, will have, if it is properly combined together, then only effective communication happen. What are all they? Visual, audio, and kinetics. What I mean by kinetics? Body language, basically. When these three components are gelled well together as a one entity, then there can be effective communication between two individuals. So now to conclude, we can say, therefore in general, human communication be defined as the process in which all of the important aspects of communication are involved in the right proposition, then exchange of information between humans can happen in an effective manner. So it has to be gelled well, as I said earlier, then only there can be an effective communication. Thank you. As usual, be safe, keep smiling.